Michael Duber, Master Engraver from Evansville, Indiana, here at the Marc School. Each year I bring a special project that I can show the students that shows the highest level of the art I've been able to achieve. This year I have part of a project that's a two-gun project celebrating the lives of Al Capone and John Dillinger. It requires that we start with a very special firearm, which is the 1911 Colt. Built in 1911 and used by the U.S. military all the way through the Vietnam Wars. But this is a special art piece. Inlaid in gold, requires many hours of study to ferret out the various detail of these characters I'm trying to portray. Al Capone is shown on the top of the gun in gold inlay, done in Bleile style engraving. Various other aspects of his life will be illustrated on the firearm. For instance, his tenure at Alcatraz. It requires probably in the area of 450 hours to complete a project like this. In addition to that, it requires about 3 ounces of fine gold, that is pure 24 karat gold. So in today's market, that's a very expensive part of the project. Not only the handgun, but the precious metals that are inlaid into it to create the figures and tell the story of the character you're trying to portray. The gun is fitted with legal ivory, ivory that was certificated pre-ban. Those will be scrimshawed with art by a lady named Catherine Plummer from California, who is the world's foremost scrimshaw artist. So there are 2 firearms, one for Dillinger, one for Capone, my art, Catherine's art. A gentleman from Apache Junction, Arizona is building an ironwood case to hold the guns and show them in a presentation manner. I think after I've engraved for the past 55 years, this will represent my masterpiece of engraving, these 2 guns in the set. Thank you for watching.